One of the biggest problems in the world today is the fact that organ transplants and blood transfusion aren't as accessible as they could be. This is actually a really interesting application of the blockchain technology, as there are not many solutions for it right now. So we developed Donorchain. So what this software does is that it helps match organ donations and blood transfusions with people who need them.
So how it works is that we have a Google sign-in where people sign in into this app. This is like an easy interface so that people are more comfortable in logging in. After that, there's you can either search for donors or you can register as a donor. If you register as a donor, you can type your email address. And you can say CN Tower, Ontario, and the organ you want to transplant, and for example, it's AB positive. So we submit this transaction, and we see that this transaction goes through, and there's an ID for this, which can be viewed on Algorand as well, with all the data fields written here, with the email and everything on here.
After this is submitted, we then have a feature where you can display all of this information on a map. So we already put in some data points just for demonstration purposes, but the data point that was just put in is also there. So say you select blood for, did you do AB+? This calls the Google Maps JavaScript API, and it also parses through all the transactions on the blockchain, and eventually it will graph it here in a few seconds. Don't want to jinx it.
Right.
There it is.
And we see that there are a lot of
donors in Kitchener.
Yeah. So people can see that there are a lot of donors there. We also have an additional feature.
Yeah, it doesn't work right now, but we wanted to think big with our idea. So there's a lot of possibilities of what we wanted to do. But what the idea behind this is that since the blockchain is immutable and since data on there is stored forever, one great application would be health records. I know a lot of people can lose their health records, or even worse, pay money to transfer them between doctors. But if it's on the blockchain, it's yours. It's always there, and you can always have it when you need it.
So for example, we did, you can see that if we have a file like, for example, this TXT file is a medical record of the user. So we can upload it into the blockchain, and it gets encrypted by SHA-256 hash. So here we see that we have encoded a SHA-256 hash, which gets stored into the blockchain. So this way what happens is that the user's medical records are stored in the blockchain and they cannot be altered. So the buyer can actually trust the user's medical records now, because it cannot be changed, and it is actually signed by the user that it's the actual record. So this way they can build trust into the system, which is actually very poor right now. So this is one of the big progress that we're planning to see.
One of the reasons we chose to do this project is because it actually hasn't been done before, which is surprising. The only thing we could find online was one company in Nigeria, and they didn't actually say anything about how they were using the blockchain. So we think that this could actually be a very viable idea for a business opportunity.
And together we want to make this world a better place to live in. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, So, do you envisage to be a non-profit application or a commercial application going forward?
You want to try?
Yeah, you want.
Probably not for profit. Probably just like organ donation and helping people, I guess. Right now, I don't see any commercial use except like we can sell this software to hospitals if they have multiple organs they want to sell to people and that kind of stuff, I guess.
I guess another question. So if I were to encrypt my medical record and put it on a blockchain, am I, as a user, responsible for keeping track of the private key for this, or where does the private key go?
we're just waiting SHA-256 checksum for your medical record and just putting that and putting that on that chain. So you're not responsible for anything.
So I have to keep my own records.
Yes. Like we are just basically checking your checksum and verifying like your medical record budget or not.
Are you using directly SHA-256 or are you trying to add some randomness to prevent people to guess medical records?
We are actually using SHA-256 library, crypto.js, to generate you're reading binary and convert that binary into ALP and then encoding that.
Oh, I see. So you might have somebody, if you know somebody, you can guess part of his medical record and check against the blockchain.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, I think maybe the last question is that how do you, what are your plans for continuing the development of this if you have any?
Well, we all go to different colleges, so it would be a bit of a struggle, but if the opportunity arises, I would be interested.
So did you just meet at the hackathon?
Yeah.
The first time working together?
Yeah.
And how was it?
Tiring. I haven't slept in almost 24 hours, so.
Well, very impressive, guys. Congrats.
Thank you.